Unit 1 review question number 33. Susan currently walks from school from her apartment, which is 1.3 miles away from her first class. She typically walks at a speed of 3 miles per hour. She is considering buying a used bicycle from Deseret Industries to ride to campus. Susan assumes that if she were riding a bike, she could go about 5 miles per hour. How many minutes could Susan save getting to class each morning if she were to ride a bike? Over here, I've gathered some of the information that the distance she needs to travel is 1.3 miles. Walking, she can walk at 3 miles per hour. We're looking for the time so that we can compare how many minutes she can save from one to the next. And for the bike, the speed of 5 miles per hour and the time here. However, you'll notice that we're looking for the minutes saved and the speed was given in miles per hour. So we're going to need to do some conversions. The first thing I'm going to do is take our distance. We were given Susan's distance of 1.3 miles. Now, I can put this over 1 if I'd like. You can leave it blank. It's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. We were told that she can walk at 3 miles per hour. Now, because I'm doing some conversions here, I'm going to put the 3 miles on the bottom so that they can cancel. If I have one on top and one on bottom, they will cancel each other out. So I'm going to put my 3 miles here per hour, so 1 hour here. That way the miles can cancel. Now I am looking at speed per minute. So the next thing I need to do is convert hours to minutes. And because I want them to cancel, I'm going to put hours on the bottom. And I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And that's great because I need to find the time per minute. So to simplify all of this, I just need to multiply all of the numerators, divide it by all of the denominators, and I'll get my answer. So here, the time for her to walk the 1.3 miles will be equals, and I'm going to indicate all of the numerators with the parentheses so that they are all multiplied together. 1.3 times 60. I can put the 1 in there, but 1 times 60 and it's all the same. And same down here. 1 times 3 times 1 all gives me 3. So I'm just going to keep the 3. Pressing enter, it takes her 26 minutes to walk 1.3 miles. The next, for the bike, she can, we need to come over here. And again, we're going to do 1.3 miles. And then we can put a 1 under there if you'd like. You don't have to. With the bike, she goes 5 miles per hour. So we put miles on the bottom, just like before, so that they will cancel. And it's 5 miles in 1 hour. And then to get rid of the hour, we need to multiply again by 60 minutes per 1 hour so that the hours will cancel. We can show that by miles divided by miles. Oops, miles divided by miles, and cancel those out. And here, hour divided by hour, and cancel this out. And the only unit left is minutes. So again, here we'll do all the numerators in the parentheses, 1.3 times 60, and the only unit we have is minutes, so we'll end up with minutes. 1.3 times 60, close the parenthesis, and divide by 1 times 5 times 5. 1 is all 5. Press enter, and the time is 15 minutes on her bike. To find the minute saved, we can just subtract these. Because we've done this in Excel, I can just press equals and select the time from walking and subtract the time from the bike, and that'll tell us the difference. And she saves 10.4 minutes. It asks to round out 2 decimal places, so I'm going to just verify here that, yep, it's just a 0. So we're going to round it out 10.40 and move to the next one.